Hello children, good morning. Welcome once again here. Today we are starting for class 1st standard. See here, that is subject English. Shall we start today subject English, that is for class 1st standard. What is the date today? Today is 31/7/2020. What is the day? Today day is Friday. Yes, today day is Friday. Let us start the same lesson. Lesson number 1. Yesterday we told half lesson. Then today we can start again, continue. The lesson name is In the Park. What is the lesson name? In the Park. See here, lesson 1. Lesson 1, In the Park. See here, page number 10. You will open. Yesterday I thought you all only page number 10. Here, this is the half lesson I thought you all. Again, see here, next we continue for page number 11. Let us start now. See here, you all see page number 10. You will open page number 10. Open. Come on. Let us continue now. Next page, page number 11. Yesterday I started page number 10 and then incompleted it. Then let us start now once again. See here, shall we read from the beginning? Shall we start from the beginning now? Come on. Lesson number 1. You all say after me. Lesson number 1, In the Park. This is a park. See here, this is a park. Yesterday I explained you also. Now only just we can read. There are some children in the park. The children are playing. Anu is in the park. She is with her mother. They are walking. Look, Anu, says her mother. This is a pond and these are ducks. Now they are sitting by the pond. You have to see the full stop, comma also. See here full stop they have given. You have to stop here. See here once again. Now they are sitting by the pond. You have to stop here. Here they have given full stop also. They are looking at the ducks. Look at those monkeys, says Anu. Yes, that is the mother monkey. Those are the baby monkeys, says her mother. Yesterday I explained you and I told you the story. Now next we continue to the next page, page number 11. Come here, Anu, says her mother. See who says come here, Anu? Mother says. Look at those flowers. Here, see the flowers here. Anu and her mother is standing here to see the flowers. What is that, Mama? Who asked? Anu asked. Who asked? Anu asked. That is a butterfly. What is that? Who asked? Anu asked to her mother. What is that? That is, says mother, that is a butterfly. That is a butterfly, says her mother. Anu and her mother are sitting in the park. Here see, Anu and her mother is sitting in the park. The sun is setting in the sky. See here, we see the sun setting in the sky. Mama, look at those birds. Who says? Anu says Anu. For whom she says? To mother. Yes, they are flying to their nest. Birds are flying to their nest. Nest, bird's house is called nest, says her mother. It is getting dark. Who says? Anu and her mother are going home. It is getting dark. Both they say it is getting dark. Shall we move now? Anu and her mother are going home. See here, both they are going home. We Today we learnt what they see in the park. Anu and her mother, what they saw, what all things do they see in the park, we discussed in the park. See here, once again shall we read the same page number 11, same lesson, shall we continue now. Come here, Anu. You all repeat after me. Come here, Anu, says her mother. Look at those flowers. What is that, Mama? As Anu asks. That is a butterfly, says her mother. Anu and her mother are sitting in the park. The sun is setting in the sky. Mama, look at those birds, says Anu. Yes, they are flying to their nests, says her mother. What is nest? Nest is bird's house is called a nest. How we live in our houses? Like that same, the birds will be build their nest in the trees. That is called nest. Bird's house is called a nest, says her mother. It is getting dark. Anu and her mother are going home. Now it is getting dark. The sun sets and they are late for home. Anu and her mother says, it is getting late. Shall we go home? Now they are going home. It is getting dark. Anu and her mother are going home. Today we learned what Anu and her mother discuss in the park, what all they see in the park. Today we learned in the lesson in the park. See here, next page shall open, page number 12. See here, page number 12, new words. Yesterday I gave you all 8 words in this. See here, once again we will repeat: park, children, playing, mother, pond, sitting. One more I gave, monkey also. See here, park, children, playing, mother, pond, ducks, sitting. And one more is monkey. Yes, here. Now today shall we write some more important words. Some more difficult words shall we write on the board. You all copy in your notes. See here. Shall we write words now? Yesterday I gave you all 8 words. Now still more words today we write. See here, first one, you write tree. The same what we learnt in the lesson, from that lesson we are writing words. You write 5 times these words. You have to write 5 times. Now next one is flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Second word is flowers. Third word, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Now fourth word, sun. S-U-N. Sun. Fifth word, sky. Fifth word, what is the fifth word? Sky. You have to write fifth word, sky. Then sixth word, birds. B-I-R-D-S. Birds. You have to spell and write. Now seventh word, setting. S-E-T-T-I-N-G. Setting. S-E-T-T-I-N-G. Setting. Eighth word, nests. N-E-S-T-S. Nests. N-E-S-T-S. Nests. Ninth word, dark, D-A-R-K, dark. Ninth word is dark. Now, 10th word, home, H-O-M-E, home. 11th word, flying, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. These are the difficult words. You have to write 5 times. Then you have to read, spell and write. Shall we read once again? See here, first word is tree. Shall we spell? T-R-E-E, tree. First word is tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Yesterday I taught you all 8 spellings, 8 words. Then yesterday I gave homework also. Then today you write 11 words because tomorrow holiday, day after tomorrow holiday. Then you have to complete 11 words by spelling and reading the words. Second word is flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Third word, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Fourth word, S-U-N, sun. Fifth word, S-K-Y, sky. Sixth word, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Seventh word, S-E-T-T-I-N-G, setting. S-E-T-T-I-N-G, setting. Eighth word, N-E-S-T-S, nests. N-E-S-T-S, nests. Ninth word, dark, D-A-R-K, dark, D-A-R-K, dark. 10th word, H-O-M-E, home, H-O-M-E, home. 11th word, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. 11th word, F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying. See here, these are 11 words you have to write 5 times. Shall we repeat? Tree, flowers, butterfly, sun, sky, birds, setting, nests, dark, home, flying. Today I taught you all lesson in the park. See here, these words are important to you to read and write. Now next we see the picture here, page number 12. Open page number 12. See here, page number 12, new words are given. The same you have to write what I have given on the board, that you have to write 5 times. These are the same word what I have given on the board. Now next, oral. See here, this orally I will ask you all. Look at the picture and discuss the questions that follows. This is not for writing, just orally we have to say. See here, what does the picture shows? What does the picture shows? What is this? We see in the picture, this is a park. What we see the picture? What is this? What do you see in the picture? It seems it is a park. What is this? Say once again. It is a park. See here, in the lesson we learnt about park. We see everything here in the picture. It seems it is a park. What are the children doing? Now one more question we ask. What are the children doing? What are the children doing? The children are swinging. What they are doing? Swinging. See here, you see the swing here. They are swinging. What they are doing? They are swinging. Where is the baby? Now next question they ask, where is the baby? In the picture what all things are there? That we question and we have to answer. The baby is in the ramp. See here, where is the baby? See here, this is the ramp. The baby is in the ramp. Where is the baby? The baby is in the pram. What is the old man doing? See here, one more question. What is the old man doing in the park? The old man is sitting. What is the old man doing? The old man is sitting in the park. Next one. Do you go to park? Children, do you go to park? You have to see the park and you have to say, do you see the park? You say yes or no. If you see, you say yes. If you did not see, you say no. Say, what are the things what are the things you do there? See here, they are asking, what are the things do you do there? What are things do you do in the park? See here, you see playing swing. Children are coming to play. See here, grandfather, you see old man sitting in the park and they come for walking, playing also. These things we do in the park. Today we learned what all things do you do in the park. See here, the picture you have to identify and answer the questions. Today we learned in the park. Tomorrow, see here, next day shall we complete page number 13, that is, listen to the text carefully as your teacher reads it out. Then say whether the following statements are true or false. You have to tick out true or false. You have to write true or false. Shall we read? Okay. See here, Anu is with her father. Anu is with her father. True or false? Yes, it is false. You have to write here false. Anu is with her mother. That is the right answer. Here we have to write false because they have given Anu is with her father. That is false. Next one. The monkeys are on the tree. The monkeys are on the tree. Right or wrong? Yes, you have to write here true. Here the monkeys are on the tree. True. Anu is playing in the park. Anu is playing in the park? No, she is with her mother. Anu is playing in the park is false. You write here false. The birds are in the sky. Where are the birds? The birds are in the sky. It's right or wrong? Yes, you have to write here true. The last one, the sun is rising. It is not rising, it is setting. We write here false. See here, you have to read today true or false. See here, reading homework. Reading homework, you have to write, you have to read true or false. Reading, only you have to read. See, you read Anu is with her father, that you have to read. Only reading homework is true or false. Today we complete in the park lesson. Tomorrow shall we continue? See here, read the lesson and complete the following sentence. Tomorrow shall we complete this one? Okay, thank you.